Ozempic is a medication that has gained a lot of attention in recent months due to its potential to help people with type 2 diabetes manage their condition. The horrendous side effects have become as much of a topic of discussion as the great results some people are getting from it. You've probably heard the tales of projectile vomiting, diarrhea and/or constipation, not to mention the nausea, headaches and flu-like symptoms. Well, here are a few other lesser-known facts you will find surprising about Ozempic. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify what it is. Ozempic is a type of medication called a GLP-1 receptor agonist, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating the body's natural production of insulin. It's an injection that's taken once a week, and it's been shown to be effective in improving blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular events and other negative effects in people with type 2 diabetes. One of the surprising truths about Ozempic is that it's not just being used by people with type 2 diabetes, as Ozempic has been found to also be effective in helping people with obesity lose weight. Even some without diabetes have been using the medication. There is also Wegovy, a medication with the same active ingredients as Ozempic, but prescribed for weight loss specifically, typically at a higher dosage. Another lesser-known fact about Ozempic is that it has been shown to have a positive impact on the liver. In a recent study, researchers found that people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, who took Ozempic had a significant reduction in liver fat. This is a promising development, as NAFLD is a condition that can lead to serious health complications. Another lesser-known fact about Ozempic is that it may positively impact the gut microbiome. In a recent study, researchers found that Ozempic led to an increase in beneficial gut bacteria, which could have a positive impact on overall health. It's an exciting development that could lead to further research on the relationship between the gut microbiome and metabolic health. Despite its potential benefits, there are also some potential risks associated with Ozempic. One surprising truth is that it can increase the risk of a rare type of thyroid cancer called medullary thyroid carcinoma, or MTC. While the risk is still low, it's important to be aware of this potential side effect and discuss it with your endocrinologist prior to taking it. Ozempic is a medication that has the potential to help people with type 2 diabetes manage their condition and may also have other health benefits. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and discuss them with your doctor before starting treatment. Were you aware of these benefits and risks using Ozempic? Have you experienced any of the usual side effects from taking it? Please comment below. Remember, health is beauty. Thanks for watching.